it's me, Allegra. Dolls, look what I have here. This little baby right here came in the mail and I am so excited to unbox it with you. What am I kidding? Who am I kidding? This is no little baby. This is a huge baby. This is the Glossy Box Advent Calendar 2021. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's here already. It's like, where has time gone, guys? How is it already almost the holiday season? But it's wonderful. I'm so happy. I figured today, I just got this, so I figured we'd go through it. This is a spoiler alert. If you don't want to know what's in your Glossy Box Advent Calendar, just go ahead and exit out now. Don't watch this video anymore because I am going to go through the Advent Calendar and let you know what's inside day by day. I've heard this is the best beauty Advent Calendar 2021, so I'm so excited to find out for myself. Is that really true? Is it true, guys? Have you seen this unboxed before? But let's just go ahead and get into it and find out, is this the best beauty Advent Calendar 2021 for reals? Okay, dolls, so I put it right over here next to me. Let's go ahead and unbox day one. Oh my god, it smells so good. It definitely is one of those aromatherapy type of products. It smells incredible. Oh my god. It's from Neom. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Oh my god. It's from Neom Organics London, and it's the Perfect Night's Sleep scented candle. This smells so good. 88% had a better night's sleep with this candle. I am the hugest believer. I love aromatherapy. I spray my pillow every night. I wonder if they have a pillow mist that smells like this. This smells so good, and it puts me to sleep. And if I wake up in the night, I always tell you guys, but if you haven't heard me say it before, I'll spray my pillow again and I go into the deepest sleep. This smells the best though. I've tried so many sleep spray kind of scents. I love sleep sprays, so I'm a fanatic. I'm aficionado for sleep sprays. This smells incredible. I'm gonna look this up on the computer if this brand has a pillow spray too, because I love pillow sprays. It says it's 100% natural fragrances to boost your well-being. Oh, so they probably do have more on their site. I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. So here is day two. Oh, it's some kind of spray. Authentic Beauty Concept. Authentic Beauty Concept is real, honest, purpose-driven. Stronghold Hairspray. Oh my gosh. You know what, guys? I have gotten into hairspray lately. Oh my god, this smells so good. And oh my god, it made my hair, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels soft. I never used hairsprays because I don't like my hair to feel sticky. But then lately, even though they feel sticky, I started using them. That's why actually I thought this was going to be sticky, because it will keep the flyaways and things like that, and it keeps your hair in place. But this actually is amazing because it doesn't feel sticky whatsoever. It feels silky and it smells incredible. Oh, I'm so glad I tried this with you, dolls. This is amazing. It says it's a Stronghold Hairspray, but guys, my hair feels incredible. It feels silky, and the scent is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I don't know if you could see, but it just will totally... now I want to keep spraying it. You guys are like, girl, put it down. Put it down. Okay. Here's day three. Ooh. Collagen, Pro Collagen Marine Cleanser. I love Olympus products, so this is amazing. I can't wait to use that. So then, now let's see, we're up to day four. Oh, 4 is big. 4 is very big. Wow. What could it be, guys? What do you guys think it is? Oh my gosh, guys, it's the makeup eraser, the original makeup eraser. I've always wanted to try this. I've never tried it. And I know a lot of you beauties seem to love this. So this is the erase all your makeup with just water. It says it will work. It's equal to up to 3,600 wipes. That's amazing. I can't wait to try that. Okay, we're up to day 5 now. So this feels a little heavy. Let's see what it is. Is this Glow Recipe? Oh, it's Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love Glow Recipe. I have purchased this before and I use it all up. I love it. So I'm so happy. This is amazing. So here, let's look for day 6. Oh, day 6 is a big one. Oh, what is it? It's it's written in like French, you guys, so I'm not going to be able to say that, unfortunately. It's a hand cream though, I believe. Maybe it's a face cream. Oh, it's a hand cream. So let's get into day 7. Oh, here it is. A little cutie patootie in here. Here is a blush on cheek stick, long wearing cheek stick from MCO Beauty. Can't wait to use that. I love cream blushes now. So that was day 7. Now we gotta look for day 8. Let's see here. Here it is right here. Oh, what is this? Clarity Wonder Love Fig and Rouge. What is this, you guys? So I believe this is a serum. I can't wait to use that. I just ran out of my serum, so I needed a new one. Yes. And so let's get into day 9. Oh, it's another KA Beauty. Is this another lip oil? I love their lip oil. I love their lip oil. Oh, this is a lip liner and a lip gloss. It's called Charming. This is from Kim Zolciak from Real Housewives of Atlanta and her daughter, her 2 daughters. So, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, and it's very festive. Look how big their packaging is huge. This is their lip gloss. Huge. It's like a giant cigar. It's so big. And then a coordinating lip liner. Here's day 10. So let's see what day 10 has in store for us. Oh, yes, Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. I love this perfume so much. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I want to put this on right now because I had a bottle and I used it up. Oh my God, it smells so good and it's so nice in the winter. Oh, I'm so happy. It smells incredible. So here is day 11. Is this a body? This is a mini kind of, it's very nice and grainy. Oh, it feels really good. So you could do your body, and this is supposed to be good to help with circulation and to alleviate cellulite. So I can't wait to use that. Here's day 12. And guys, what is it? Is it a brush? Oh, it's like a beautiful kabuki brush. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Oh, it feels like a dream. Oh, it's so soft. Here is day 13. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it's from Glossybox Skincare. Their hydrating mist. Tones, primes, and refreshes. I cannot wait to try that. Look at that beautiful packaging. And then here is day 14. Oh, here is One Kind Perfectionist Refining Facial. I think I used this before and I loved it, so I'm definitely going to use that. Oh, here's 15, a little bit of a bigger box. So let's see what's inside. Here is Frederic Fekkai shampoo. I love Frederic Fekkai shampoo. This is the Weightless Amplifier Volume shampoo. I've never tried this one. I've only tried their color treated one, the pink one. So I'm sure this will work. Oh no, this smells familiar. Maybe I have tried that one. But I love Frederic Fekkai shampoo. So here is day 16. So let's see what's inside here. This is Josephine I Define, glamorously created in Brooklyn, New York. Let's see here. Oh, I love this. It feels really stiff, which, you know, for me, I love. Let's see. Oh, you know, hopefully it'll dry right away because, you know, with my hooding, we don't need this product to be getting all up in my hooding. So what do you guys think? Have you heard of that brand? Here is 17. And let's see, it's a nice size, another nice size box here. So, oh, this is from Nebula. This is the Sea Lavender and Ginseng. This is a serum to hydrate and tone and refresh your skin. Here is day 18. Here is Illaquasma. This is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter. I want to try this so bad right now, you guys. Okay, here is day 19. We're almost to 24, you guys. What do you think? Here is something, nail lacquer from Miami. Is this, let's see what color this is. Oh, I love this. It looks very Louboutin, very beautiful packaging. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. I'm definitely gonna use that. Here's 20. It is a Ultra Repair Cream, First Aid Beauty. Love this so much, and I know I don't have the driest of skin, but I know people that do, and they love that. Here is day 21. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, there's a bunch of good stuff in here. So in here is the, I've tried this brand before. This is a K-Beauty brand, and it's amazing. It's Vitabrid C12, but this is their facial boosting water. It's a treatment essential toner. I haven't used that, but I've used other products from them. They were amazing. And so here is, a brightening and luminous it's a dual mask, deep hydration and moisture retention mask. So I can't wait to use this. It's brightening and luminosity, giving you brightening and luminosity. Here is day 22. 111 Skin. So I love this stuff now. This is a restorative cleansing balm. Yes, I can't wait to use that. I love 111 Skin. Here is day 23. This is Medi K8 Lipid Vitamin C Radiant Serum. Can't wait to use that. I love vitamin C serums. And then here is day 24, a nice pretty big size box. What do you guys think is inside? Once Upon a Dream, it says. What is that? Oh, a satin pillowcase. That's so nice. You know, I've always wanted to try a satin pillowcase, but I've never gotten one, so this will be my first one. Beauties, here we finally made it to day 25. So let's go ahead. What could it be? What could it be? Ooh, it's a whole bunch of stuff fell out. Okay. Here, oh, it's a Wander Beauty palette. I love Wander Beauty. This is their eyeshadow palette and some beautiful brushes, which, oh, these are so nice, guys. They're such a good size. So this is an amazing beauty advent calendar. Oh my God, this is definitely the best beauty advent calendar 2021. I cannot imagine anything in the world being better than this. Oh my gosh, and the value that you're getting for your money, it is unbelievable because there are a lot of very high-end makeup items here. So you're definitely getting an amazing value for your money. Wow. It is valued at over $550 and you are getting all of this for only $99, and if you're a Glossybox subscriber, you get it for $89. So you just log into the site and then it will take the price down to $89 for you. So I do have a code down below if you guys want to join Glossybox. I will have my link down below. I do have a Glossybox code, so if you want to take advantage of it, you will receive, I'm not sure, they were having the $1 box. I'm not sure if that's still going on, but there was a promotion where you could get the box for your first box for $1 and become a subscriber. You can cancel at any time. You can also purchase this box on its own. You do not have to be a subscriber, but being a subscriber is pretty awesome because you get first dibs on the box, you get that discount, and their boxes are just absolutely phenomenal. The glossy boxes cannot be beat. So I'll have everything linked below if you guys would love to check this out. And so that's pretty much it. So let me know if you beauties have picked up, have you already placed your order for the glossy box? I know so many of you have, and I can't wait to see what you guys think when you get all your glossy boxes and unbox everything. Will you be unboxing it day by day, or do you do it like me all at once? Let me know down below. So anyway, beauties, that's pretty much it. What do you dolls have planned for the holiday season? I would love to know. I'm really excited. So I've already started kind of buying my Christmas decorations. I bought some kind of those blow up things because I never had those before. So for my new house, I purchased on Amazon some of those blow up, you know, like the Rudolph the Reindeer blow ups and things like that. So I can't wait. I'll be back and I'll show you guys all my Christmas decorations, my holiday festivities. So anyway, dolls, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good, and remember, stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you beauties very soon. Bye.